Hey guys, welcome back. Let's jump right into this video. So first, I'm starting out with my Maybelline New York Master Prime primer. I love this primer. It definitely blurs out my pores and it keeps my face mattified all day. Next, I'm taking my fairly new Maybelline 24 Hour Superstay foundation. I love Maybelline, y'all, if y'all can't tell. The color is in Truffle, and this definitely covers all my dark spots, hyperpigmentation. Great drugstore foundation. Next, I'm using my new pickup. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. I definitely recommend getting a high-end concealer that you will use every day. It's so worth it. And to blend that out, I'm going to use my damp Morphe blending sponge. To cream contour, I'm taking another new pickup of mine. It is the Black Radiance Cream Contour Kit, and I'm using the darkest shade in that palette. And to blend that out, I'm taking my Real Techniques Multitask Face Brush. To set my concealer, I'm using an oldie but goodie Coty Airspun translucent powder. I love it, and I'm taking the opposite side of that beauty blender and I'm packing on the setting powder very lightly onto my concealed areas of the face. To set my cream contour, I'm taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee. So on with the eyes, I'm using another oldie but goodie palette. It is the first Morphe 350 palette, and I'm taking this super light brown shade, and I'm just using that as a transition shade. Right below that transition shade, I'm taking this reddish brick color and I'm blending that shade into my crease area. And next, I'm taking this Beauty Gems palette. It has a lot of shades. My best friend got it for me. Shout out to you. But I'm using this deep violet purple color, and I'm gonna blend that right, not necessarily into my crease, but kind of like right below that red brick shade. So to intensify that purple, I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking a super deep, even deeper than a violet, super deep purple shade, and I'm blending that into the same exact place that I blended the first purple shade. And as I go, I'm just building and building the color until I get my satisfied look. So to cut my crease, I'm taking this small, I want to say it's like a super small flat brush, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. So to pack that gold onto my lid, I'm first going to spray this flat brush with some water just to intensify the color. And I'm taking this Hard Candy palette. I got it from Walmart for like 10 bucks. Pretty good palette. And I'm just going to use this champagne gold shade right at the top. So to intensify the outer part of my eye, I'm going back into the same palette and using this black shade on a small shader brush, and I'm darkening the outer part of my eye. And of course, I'm going to go back in with the blending brush just to blend all three colors together. Now I'm repeating the same steps under my eye as I did on the top of my eye. So to dust away that setting powder, I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend pressed powder in the color Translucent Sable. It's also a new pickup and I really like it. Now I'm just going to pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. These are dollar store lashes that I popped on. Amazing. And I added some bottom mascara as well. And now I'm just going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Amazing product again. And now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's like a shimmer blush and it's in the color Wine. To highlight, I'm using my Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighting palette, and the shade I'm using is called Shady BITCH. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. I definitely recommend this palette, and it comes with a brush too. To line my lips, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the color dark brown. Now I'm using my NYX Lip Tease full color lip oil in the color Beyond Basic. This is like the perfect nude for me. Honestly, I feel like it would be the perfect nude for any brown skin, dark skin, because with this lip liner, it's amazing. And to top it off, I'm taking this Black Radiance Brilliant Effects lip gloss. Not sure the color name, but it's in 3254. Here's the final look, you guys. I am literally obsessed, literally in love. Y'all know I don't even wear eyeshadow like that, but this came out amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like these pictures on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.